name is George and welcome to Old Fart Engineering. The goal of my channel is to entertain, educate, and inspire you to be a maker. I'm a retired industrial arts teacher and custom fabricator. I will be sharing videos about wood carving, metal fabrication, machining, tool restoration, knife and tool making, as well as special episodes for novice makers on tool tips and techniques. I hope you will join me on my maker's journey. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single episode. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you.